Hi everybody, I'm Pamela and I'd like to welcome you to the Money Channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about another stream of income that I have acquired, and I am working with Savings Highway Global. This is a company that's been around for 16 years. They are tried and true, and they're not going anywhere, but they have added so many things to their company. You can get discounts on just about everything you're already paying for every day. Car insurance, rentals insurance, home insurance. You can get savings on all those things. You can get savings on groceries, gas, buying a car, renting a car. I mean, anything, vacations, travel, anything you can think of, just about you can get discounts. Um, I mean, you can get discounts right away. As soon as you sign up, you could save up to $2,000. It's incredible. And you can earn money with SHG. That's Savings Highway Global. So I'm going to tell you the 10 ways that you can get paid. So let me, got to make myself smaller here. Bear with me. Just a moment here. I'll put me over here in the corner so we can get a good look. Here we go. All right. So with SHG Opportunity, there are 10 ways to get paid. You get a 100% Fast Start bonus, a $500 Fast Action bonus, unlimited $1,000 team building bonuses, 25% direct monthlies where you refer 4 and you get yours for free, residual monthly income on a 3x12 matrix, unlimited 10% matching bonuses, leadership ranks and rewards, lowering business bills income, store services income, and 5% corporate profit sharing. And this is awesome. I mean, you really can't beat this compensation plan. It's awesome. It really is. So, what I'm going to do is tell you how you can get your savings. You get that link down in the description, click on there, and sign up. That's it. You can sign up and go get your insurance quote to see how much you're going to save on your car insurance right away. I personally save $73 a month, and with the same insurance company. Is that awesome? I didn't even change companies. It's fabulous. So I urge you to click on the link in the description and go find out how much money you can save, and then start earning by sharing your story on how much money you saved and help other people save money. That's what I'm going to do. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit all on the bell icon so you'll get notified each time I put out a video just like this. Thanks, y'all, and I'll see you around.